Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you the AI Fantasy app review and the how to use. So let's get started. So to use the AI Fantasy app fully and review of it, you can see. So as you can see, AI Fantasy app is an app where you can create a fake scenario with the AIs. So as you can see, these are the some characters. So for example, you can see dad's friend, this vegan. So you can just click on start chatting and you can chat. So from here, if you write like hi, okay, so you can just do hi and then you can wait for the reply. The other people will reply and from here you can chat. So by this way you can do it. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.